Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord umkhokha the curse. Can we all agree ukuthi Ulwazi is the best guy since sliced bread? Like uguy umela ugabsile like Givengvai. Uguy umela ugabsile sengathi ugabsile already seka wife. You know amadoda amadala ntenga sabazali bayo. But Ulwazi uthi not with my baby mama. Like that's not going to happen. Hayi athi mama ke hey uzwile le ndaba umama kuzoba yenzile athi yekela ukufafaza. Yekela azamkhothele izwi ukuthi izwi lithi. But it also goes to show ukuthi Ulwazi does not care background kaGabsile, does not care what Gabsile's parents did and stuff. The most important thing ukuthi yena uyathanda baby mama and ufuna ukukhulisa umntwana wakhe and ufuna ukuthi umama wakhe ayibone lento leyo. A lot of men can learn from Ulwazi at this young age. Akuyo hayi singafunda okuningi shem. Izinto ke for uZamafu zihamba kahle. uZamqolo noNomafu ba on another level. uZamqolo uyabona vele ukuthi hayi izinto zezamosheka ngisho guy wa apologize and stuff. Now on their cuddling session nje they had a discussion where uNomafu suggested that they go and bury umkhulu, considering that now it was seen ukuthi they did not do anything foul to umkhulu. However, uZamqolo dismissed the idea and said it's too soon. It's better if they give the family space so that they ensure ukuthi the family heals and they don't interfere with anything. Now, as much as this is all good and fair, who is going to tell us where the body is? Because that's one thing that I think we all need to know. We need to know ukuthi uyephi umzimba kaMzobe bawufihle kuliphi ithuna. And now that iqiniso lika maMzobe liphumile elaka lona ke laka malume lizophuma na laka mkhulu ukuthi wasifihla kuphi isidumbu sika Mzobe. I am ready for that. But with that said, uManzimande is getting along nomakoti wakhe or makoti wakibo. Yes, umfazi ka Puto kamalume, right? uNzimande. They are getting along, they are having fun, they are talking, everything is good. And what I like about everything being good is that she found ways to even accept abantwana bakaGellings. It's very difficult. You all know ukuthi mawushada umuntu onganamntwana naye anabantwana bayi3, the family will be judgmental and but at this point ifamily kaMthembu is not judgmental ngabantwana. It was concerned about this one being friends no maMzobe. But Aishem, they are bonding, all is going well. And then kube uPhakathwayo. Yo guys, Phakathwayo is broken down into a million pieces. If I've ever seen a storyline where a man cries, where a man is in pieces, where a man does not have a way forward, shape or form or anything of that sort, it is uPhakathwayo. uPhakathwayo has seen it all in this storyline. Like season 1, season 2, season mama, like he has seen it all. But Uguy is determined to go to uMaMzobe must go to prison. She must go pay for her sins. She must serve her sentence. Equation is one. Who will open the case? Because remember, if I remember well, uMaMzobe did confess to uZamqolo. However, when uZamqolo was angry and wanted to take out the secret, it was said no, the secret must not go out. Right? Remember, uMthembu wavela kuZamqolo wathi akusibhethle kaZamqolo. So iqiniso maliphuma uMaMzobe uzomangala na? I mean uZamqolo uzozimangaza na engathi akazi ukuthi uMaMzobe uyenzeni or what's going to happen? I'm just asking myself that. But ke uSifociya amhlangabeze atshela uZamqolo ukuthi you know what, this is your time to liberate amaJudiya and tell the truth and free everyone. The truth needs to be told and you are the person that needs to tell it. Ngapha uMaMzobe is hopeful ukuthi nothing is going to happen. Telling uGabsile ukuthi Gabsile, worry not. Worry not, my baby. Love has kept us this far and love is going to protect us. And your father is going to keep quiet. He's not going to say anything to anyone because he loves us. Will the love sustain everything? Will uPhakathwayo keep quiet? Ashayindiva. Yo. Other videos will follow tomorrow. I had a church commitment, but tomorrow during the day, other videos will follow. Please do like, share, and subscribe and watch all my content. I love you. Peace. Bye.